Man, it is the weekend. It is beautiful here in San Francisco. It's about 60 degrees and sunny skies. We are heading to the movies, waiting for the hubby to come out of the condo, and we're gonna go to the movies. We have not been to the movies in a long time. First time this year. Just wanted to do something. So, you know, these days you can just see the movie on Netflix or Hulu or anything. But we're gonna go see Scream. You guys know Scream? Yep, they have the, I don't know if it's a remake. No, because it's like Scream 3 or Scream 4. Anyway, you guys wanna come along with me? Let's go. Oh, I guess I better wait for him. What do you think of the movie?
It was good. I always love a scream.
Scream. It was screamy. Is that a word?
Yep.
Screamy.
Very screamy.
Put my mask back on. Still a pandemic going on. So we went to see the movie Scream. It was pretty good. It's probably one of my favorites out of the franchise. Wow, that was 25 years ago when we had the first Scream. Anyway, if you're definitely a Scream person, check it out. And yeah, see you guys in a bit. Bye, girl. Bye. Here we are again on a beautiful winter day here in San Francisco where it's only 60 degrees but nice and sunny, and we're heading back to the beach. That's why we pay the big dollars here in San Francisco, because even in the heart of winter you can go to the beach. We got Miss Clo in the back. Chloe, she's sick of me by now. She's like, where are we going? There's the Uber driver, better known as Kelly. Now I'm in trouble calling him the Uber driver. But yeah, that's why we continue to stay here. It gets harder and harder because it gets more expensive to live in this city. But we don't want to leave. Leave a comment down below what city or country you guys live in. I would love to know where my subscribers live. I know a few of you, but I don't know exactly where you live. So leave a comment down below. Folks, that's where Kelly and I went in the year of gay marriage was legal and got our marriage